Okay, so this is just a quick review of McGill Curl-Up, where again we want to focus more on the compression, so it's that cinching corset around that trunk area as opposed to the flexion. And that's so that we activate that transverse abdominis or the deep core muscle. So for this motion, we're going to start off on our backs here. So one leg extended, the other leg bent, foot flat, knee pointed at the ceiling. I want to give my low back a little bit more support, so I'm taking my hands. Going to place them underneath the small of the back, fingertip to fingertip. So from here I'm going to start off by engaging my core, so that's that cinching, slight draw in from the navel. I'm also going to pretend like I'm going to be punched in the stomach, and I'm holding in my poo as well as my pee. So from that braced position, I'm going to slowly try and keep my spine as neutral as possible, add a little bit of flexion, and then raise my shoulder blades off the ground. So it'll look like that. So from here, I'm going to hold a position for maybe about 5 seconds, and then slowly return back to that start position, repeat. So I'm staying in neutral position all the way from my head down towards that low back area as best as possible. So if you notice your stomach bulging out when you do the curl up, you've lost that transverse abdominis contraction. So you want to reset it and start again. You should maintain that tight cinched core, and you shouldn't see any movement up from that stomach when you're performing this movement. If having your hands underneath your low back like this is uncomfortable, you can always just use a rolled up towel to start off. Help support your low back with that underneath. So everything is going to be the same. You can take your hands, place them at the sides, and perform that same motion. Okay, so give that a try.